Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to take your wigs from looking like this to looking like this. I'm going to teach you how to style your synthetic and human hair for beginners and a lot of tips in this video. So if this is something you want to watch, please stick around and let's get right into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style your hair. This right here is a synthetic hair, but hold your horses, hold your horses. I'm going to give you tips on how to also style your human hair. It's basically the same thing, guys. It's basically the same process, just that for your synthetic hair, you need to use less heat. And for your human hair, you can use more heat because it's human hair, so it won't get burnt. But for your synthetic hair, you want to use low heat so that your hair does not get burnt. So the first thing I do is part my wigs this way so that it's easier for me to see what I'm styling, and then take the rest into a bun on top as I'm doing here. I'm sure this makes sense, right? First of all, I'll show you guys how to bob your wigs for both synthetic and human hair. I wanted to make this wig like a straight wig, not for bobbing, but I just decided to show you guys how I bob my wig so that in case that is what you want, this video won't limit you. First of all, you part your wigs and then use a tail comb to comb it out so that it will be smooth before going in with your straightener. And then when you get to the tip of your hair, just the tip of your hair, you roll your straightener upwards. Depends on how you want your hair to get. So you roll your straightener upwards and just stay there for 5 seconds. You count 5 seconds, 1 2 3 4 5, and you take it out. So after 5 seconds, you take it out. If not, this is for synthetic hair. If not, you might end up getting your wigs burnt. But for human hair, you can stay there for up to 10 seconds. Nothing will happen. But guys, be careful so you don't use too much heat and end up damaging your wigs. So that is basically it on how to bob your hair. Just in case you are wondering why my count 1 2 3 4 5 is not rhyming with the video, that's because I slowed the video down so that I will be able to teach you guys in detail while using a voice note. Now I'm going to show you the results and show you how to make your wigs straight. So it's the same steps up till here to straighten your wigs out, not bulb them. So when you part your hair, you want to comb it out with your tail comb so that it's smooth before you go in with your straightener. Now you're going to part your hair, comb it out, and then go in with your straightener and ensure that you are straightening the hair up to the tips, from the roots to the tips, like you see me doing here. When I was done with that line, I went for the next line. I gave the wig a good line from edge to edge so that I see clearly what I am going to straighten. I always take the leftover that I'm yet to straighten back into a ponytail to help me differentiate clearly from what I have straightened from what I'm going to straighten. And I also go back with my brush so that that can be very smooth. As you guys can see, even without straightening the rest. It already looks well straightened. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm saying, and this is because I revamped this hair properly. If you want me to make a tutorial on how I revamp my wigs, please be sure to leave a comment down below and I might make a video on that. I part my hair again and go over with my straightener. I use the straightener on the parts I haven't straightened yet, and that is what I am going to do for the rest of this line. I do this round my wigs from edge to edge, from the roots to the tip, as you can see me doing here. If you have any questions about hair, about human hair, about synthetic hair that I haven't answered during the course of this video, please leave it in the comment section and I will surely reply to that. When I tell you guys I haven't straightened this part of this wig, I'm not lying. Like, I'm not lying. This is what happens when you give your wig like a good revamp. Like I said, if you want me to show you how I revamp my wigs, please tell me in the comment section. If I get much questions on how I revamp my wigs in the comment section, I will definitely make a video on that. As you can see here, I always start my straightening from the roots. From the roots to the tips, from the edge to the edge is the key to a good styled wig. So when I get to the top, I give the wig a good pat where it's supposed to be. As you can see here, I'm trying as much as possible to get a good straight line. So you have to spend as much time as it takes you to get a good pat on this part of this wig, so that your wig does not end up looking like a beginner's type of wig. Yeah, so that your wig doesn't end up looking like a beginner's type of wig. And then you straighten it, pat your wig, straighten it, pat your wig, comb it, straighten it, pat your wig, comb it, straighten it. That is just the key. At this point, I was really struggling to make my straightener start from the roots of this hair so that I can get that sleek nature, because your girl does not have a hot comb, and I believe some people don't also have a hot comb. So this video is going to help you. Like, you can actually get the whole sleek nature without using a hot comb. I will give you another tip on that as the video goes on, so stick around. So the tip to a good sleek wig is using a wax stick, and that is me using my wax stick. You don't want to use too much of this, if not you might end up leaving a lot of build up on your wigs. So you just use a little, just enough. But if you want it to be very sleek, oh my god, that was so much emphasis, you can use more. I mean, it doesn't harm. So I used my wax stick. I went back with my flat iron. As you can see the immediate effects, like immediately you see it's becoming more sleek. So I go in with my straightener all round, just like I have been doing, and yeah, that's it. So right now I'm just going to show you the end result of me straightening this wig. This was so beginner friendly. This was so beginner friendly. I took you through this step-by-step process and also gave you tips on how to achieve a good styled wig. Please guys, if you know you took a tip or two out of this video, make sure you leave a like for me and also share this video with your friends so that they can also learn one or two things. And you guys should leave all the questions you have in the comment section, and I will answer all those questions as soon as they come in. So as always guys, take care of yourself and stay safe. This video was a different one. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.